Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine at your home, children. Children, I am explaining you the chapter 6, our national symbols. And before this video, I have explained you about the national emblem and national flag. And today I am going to explain you the national anthem of chapter 6. So let's begin, children. National anthem of India. You know, children, many things we have studied regarding this national symbols of India. You know that national symbols are those symbols that represent and project a country's value, belief and vast culture of the world. Our national symbols give a feelings of belongingness to the Indian heritage and identity, and Indians from all across the world are proud of these symbols as they infuse a sense of patriotism in them. So here we are studying the some national symbols about that, children. And you know all that India is a secular country and the Constitution of India provides equal status to all the countrymen. Everyone is equal. And despite these differences, children, religions, languages in the religion, languages, food and dresses, people, they have the different dresses, the different languages, they believe in different religions, they have the different religions. So all Indians are, after that also, they all are equal, and all Indians share a common love for country, and they also sing this national anthem together. Okay, this shows the togetherness. Okay, everyone is singing this national anthem together, wherever in the state, what is their religion, no matters. Okay, so children, this national anthem Jana Gana Mana, do you know who had written? This was written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so this was written by Rabindranath Tagore. And the duration of this national anthem, how much time we can, in the seconds we can complete this song. So it is that is the 52 seconds. Okay, the duration of our national anthem is 52 seconds. And it was adopted as our national anthem on 25th January 1950. Okay, children, it was this national anthem was adopted as our national anthem on 24th January 1950, and it is a song written in first of all the praise. Okay, it was written as a praise of our motherland. So we should always show the respect towards it, children, towards the national anthem, and whenever, wherever it is played, we should always stand in attention position and do not move, talk or do some other work when it is played. Okay, because we are giving the regard towards it, respect towards it. So we should not move our bodies while singing the national anthem or being it is played anywhere. So we should always stand in attention. Okay, we must learn, this is also very important, children, that we must learn the song properly. Okay, all the songs we should learn it, all the words, what is the words, correct words, that we should also learn very properly and sing it on occasions like the Republic Day, Independence Day. You must have seen in your schools, okay, colleges, offices, the flags are hoisted and this national anthem is sung there. So this is on these occasions we are singing this national anthem, and some other important days also. So we must learn the national anthem very properly, children, because our this is our national anthem, and we are paying the respect, we are showing the respect towards it. Children, this was written by, this was it is a song in a praise of our beloved motherland, and we must show respect towards our nation. Okay, while singing this song properly in a attention position, and we must learn the song and sing it properly. When we sing it or hear it being sung, we must also stand in attention. Okay, that time we should not move our body. we should stand in attention position. Do you know, children, that India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana was originally written by whom? This was written by Nobel laureate, that is your Rabindranath Tagore, in the year 1911. And the song Jana Gana Mana composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, okay, and was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India on 24th January 1950, as you are knowing, and it was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress, children. Okay, it was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. And it was written in Sanskrit Tatsam, Bengali language, as I told you, and was composed as a poem in Bengali as Bharto Bhagya Vidhata by Rabindranath Tagore. This national anthem praises the rich culture, history, unity in diversity, and geographical and spiritual essence of our country. You know that this national anthem tells that praises the rich culture of our country, the history, the unity in diversity. Many people are living of different religion, they are speaking the different languages, dresses that they have, but this shows the unity in diversity and geographical and spiritual essence of our country. And the Jana Gana Mana was officially adopted as the national anthem by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 24 January 1950. You must keep remember this. Okay, children, and the national anthem has 5 verses and the duration of playing is full version is 52 seconds. We must complete the national anthem in the 52 seconds. Okay, it takes time 52 seconds. The proper timing is 52 seconds to sing. And the national anthem of India is sung on various occasions, such as hoisting, when the people are hoisting the national flag. You must have seen our Prime Minister and the other ministers also, they are hosting the national flag, children. Okay, on the occasion of Independence Day, Republic Day. Okay, and this flag is also hosted in the schools, offices, and prayers and national festivals. These national songs are played at that time. Okay, we are singing a national song. So the national anthem is often sung across nation in Hindi, and it was also translated in English language known as the Morning Song of India. Okay, children, it was also translated in English, okay, language and known as the Morning Song of India by Rabindranath Tagore on 28th February 1919. And you know, children, these are the Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem, and we should, in Hindi and English both, you can see the spellings, and we must learn our national anthem the correct way. Okay, the proper way we should learn it with the correct spelling, with the correct lyrics. Okay, and this is our national song, that is your Vande Mataram, that I'll explain you later. So children, this national song Vande Mataram is our national, not national anthem, children. This is national song and composed by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. So sorry, children, this is the Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem, and this is your national song Vande Mataram. And children, whenever this song is played, our national anthem is played, we should always stand in attention position. It is expected in the, you must have seen when the in the cricket stadium also, and many games. Okay, in the last, our national song is played there also. Okay, so whenever this national anthem is being played, it is expected of every Indians to stand in attention as a mark of respect, because it is our, we are paying the respect and we are giving respect to our national anthem and the national flag. So we should must stand and sing it properly in attention position. So this was about your national song, children, sorry, national anthem. So read the chapter and learn the national song properly, and these things I will explain you in my next video, children. Thank you. Thank you, children.